Yn ymuno gyda fi nawr, mae Claudia, cyflwynydd It Takes Two.
Yes, that's me. Correct.
Cyflwynydd.
Cyflwynydd.
Presenter.
I do. That's what I do. Cyflwynydd.
Yeah, so you just...
Not in Welsh.
did a live show
I
of
did.
It Takes Two. How'd it go?
It went all right, I think. I never know. We do so many that I sort of forget about them. But we had biscuits, and that's all that matters. In the end, it's only about the snacks.
Yeah, it is, really. Special guest tonight, Gethin Jones.
My favourite.
Yeah, is he your favourite?
No, he's not. He's my least favourite. No, I'm kidding. I love him. I'm not allowed favourites, but I do think he's adorable, and I try to play with him sometimes.
We all do that,
I know.
because he's so yummy.
He's so sweet, isn't he? He's like a big
is.
snuggly bear.
He is. Now, obviously you present this during the week.
Yes.
Do you get Saturday nights off then? Do you get to relax, or... Because you are in the studio on Saturdays sometimes, are you?
Oh, you went once. Sometimes they make me. But instead, no, often I get all my children, all 19 of them, into bed, and we have, like, delicious, like, onion soup. I'm kidding, I've never had onion soup, but I think it would be tasty. And we watch it. And then me and my husband score it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Have you predicted well throughout the week?
I don't. Alarmingly, he does. He's obsessed, constantly talking about freckles.
Oh.
That aren't freckles.
Right, OK. Well, thank you so much for
Thank you.
speaking to us. And I'm really glad that you're a fan of Gethin,
Oh.
as are we. You know.
Good. Hooray.
Thank you.
Go Gethin.